Want to talk about Elecon engineering at this point, and I understand there's been an order win for the company, and I'm being joined by the management, Rajat, Jain, the CFO at Elecon engineering. The stock surging now over 6% higher. The day's high point on that one post that order win, we presume. Rajat, thanks so much for speaking with us today. I have my colleague Hiral who's joining me on this conversation. Just give us a sense of this order win, 225 crores from Garden Reach. What is this going to be? Just some more color on it. How soon will it start coming into your books? Anything you can provide us?
This order which we have received from Garden Reach is on the back of the order which we received around 10 days back from MDL. The total order size is 525 crores, 300 from MDL and 225 from Garden Reach. And these are for supply of naval gearboxes which will be used for Indian Navy. And these are to be executed over a period of next 3 to 5 years. So we should start seeing some top line growth in the coming fiscal. And initially it would be say around 40-50 crores. And then the bigger numbers start flowing on third year onwards till the execution of the order.
Rajat, this is Hiral on this side. If you could just tell us, including this order, what would your current order book stand at, and what's the number you are looking to close FY16 with?
The order book for Elecon engineering gear business domestic is 750 crores. So out of this, 525 is this order, which is for naval gearboxes, and the regular orders is around 225 crores. And the order book should be kind of similar by the year end.
Okay. What is the size of your domestic business? Because like you said, you're supplying these gearboxes as far as the Indian Armed Forces go. So how large is the Indian business for you, the domestic market, and also some color in terms of how much you could see that expanding perhaps?
Currently, the business, the top line for Indian domestic gear business for our company is around 500 to 550 crores, and we are the largest manufacturer in the country. And so the growth will come once the capex cycle in the country grows. So once the capex cycle grows, so we could see a CAGR of 20% plus.
Rajat, earlier post your Q2 earnings, you did mention that the near-term outlook for the company remains bleak, and things are not moving at customer level, and there has not been any uptake in terms of the capex in the core sector. So if you could just give us an outlook, how is it looking now?
The outlook still remains slow. We don't see any major outlook in the capex cycle. And we have a division which is Elecon EPC, where we do material handling equipment and projects. So there we don't see any uptake as of now at all. But gear business in some sectors we see some momentum coming up, and in some sectors it is going down. So it's kind of getting balanced out.
If you talk about the international subsidiary as well, that has turned PAT positive since the last 2 to 3 quarters. So what's the kind of margin expectation that you are looking at out of this?
Yeah, the overseas subsidiary has turned around in this year, and we had been expecting that. So we were doing some rationalization over there, some restructuring over there, which got completed sometime in the last year, and this year has been good for that operations. They are ending at PAT positive, and the margin growth is stable as of now for last 5-6 quarters, and we should see higher numbers coming up once the European economy picks up, because that company caters mainly to European segment. So the growth numbers will grow once the economy over there picks up.
All right, Rajat, thanks so much for speaking with us. That's Elecon engineering, cooling off just a little bit, but it has one considerable order as far as the Indian Armed Forces go. Let's take a quick break on that note. On the other side, we'll chat with Manish Gupta of Sequence.